Alright, I'm gonna make this really quick. This is how I fixed my Vegas black screen on the previous screen, and it'd be black when I rendered too. I tried a lot of stuff on the internet. You probably tried it too if you're here, and it didn't work for you. This is the only thing that worked for me. So I basically found out that Vegas doesn't like .mkv files. The best thing for it is .mp4. And I was recording my OBS files in .mkv. But you can actually use OBS to convert your MKV files to MP4 very quickly. You click on File, Remix Recordings. Oops, Remix Recordings. Oh. There it is. I don't know why I was saying so long. And yeah, I already did it with the video that I'm using for the example. But say you weren't, you just drag and drop it in there. And it'll turn it into an MP4, and then you can like rename it if you want to. I would, so it's just, you know. But yeah, then you can remix and it turns it to MP4. And you come back if you like already started editing, and like just to show you what my bug looks like. It's just black all the time, basically. Sometimes the video might pop up, but probably not. Yeah, it's just black. It's not how it's supposed to be. But you can right click it up here in your project media, hit replace, find the video you just made to replace it with. Click on mine. There it is. Now it's an MP4. It should not have any black screen. Yeah, I hope that helped you. If it didn't, I'm sorry.